Antibiotics are playing a vital role in the 21st century. Can you throw some light on the usage?
It's very important. These antibiotics now give the immediately for any of the illness, as well as this is very good for the healing of any diseases. Even there's diseases which has sustainable for a long time, that will be cured by giving the antibiotics.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Chakrit, what are the branches of science?
The branches of science are physics, chemistry and biology.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Aishwarya. Some major invention and discovery took place in 20th century. One of them is artificial fertilizer. What is its importance and usage?
Okay, now because of this fertilizer, many people get more food, and now and there are more now more foods are growing, foods and fruits are growing. If we would not have fertilizer, then people would starve, and we would not have so much food.
Thank you. Okay, Amrin. So how has transportation in the 20th century played an important role in the world development?
The transportation in the 20th century has played an important role in the world development, as nowadays with the use of many types of transportation, people can travel faster, not like the ancient times that people had to walk for miles and miles. So now transportation also had advanced a lot.
Thank you. Okay, sir. Revolution in information technology in the 21st century has been a major invention. What do you think of this future perspective of this revolution?
Yes, my dear children. Revolution technology is based on the digital. We have a digital, and the revolution technology is we call as a twin technology. We are using this for the multi-revolutional, like multitasking. Right now we are working with a multitasking operating system for working with the various ICT resources and revolutions. Something like which is using for the mailing and other internet and other website process.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Discovery of atomic energy is one of the inventions in the 20th century. How to make energy and what is its importance?
Well, actually nuclear power was first developed in the year 1940. During the Second World War, nuclear power was used for destructive purpose by dropping atom bombs in Japan. Then later stages, 1950 onwards, attention turned towards to the peaceful purpose for power generation, especially for producing electricity by using nuclear reactors. So today, world produces as much electricity from nuclear energy. Only 8 countries are known to have a nuclear weapon capability. By contrast, 56 countries operate about 240 nuclear reactors. Over 1/3 of these are in developing countries. So from that we can say how the atomic energy is so important in the present life.
Thank you, sir.